In recent weeks, after the imposition of the lockdown in town, it was seen that many shops did not comply with protocols issued by the health departments, which forced the authority to close down these shops. The Office of the Deputy Commissioner have been trying its best in maintaining strict disciplines in town. Few marketplaces were temporarily closed to contain the spread of the virus.
Cooperating, we have seen that there have been restrictions to a large level. But yes, you're right. We need to have more compliance from the public point of view. So this issue was discussed. We saw that certain market areas were getting crowded. So instructions have been given to the DC to close those areas and those markets down completely. And wherever the norms are not being followed, we are going very aggressively and closing those those areas down. And now, as I said, this is not a fight that the government will do on its own. We will play our role, but the discipline from the society is very, very important. So therefore, we have been understanding that people need the basics. People need to get their food and everything. So we had given a bit of relaxation in those areas, but wherever we are seeing that people are not adhering to the protocols, we are closing those sections down. So yes, we have seen this kind of a trend, but by and large we have seen that people have been compliant, but there have been different cases of areas and markets where people did not follow the protocol, and we are taking stern action and closing those sections down.